double defaults, and those are the last ones.
This is cause number 2011-43730 in the interest of Leonard Crawford III. Please identify yourself for the record and who you represent.
Marcella Turner for the Office of the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Court will note that the custodial parent, Cristal Brantley, is not present. She was personally served on November 19th, 2020 at 11:35 a.m. at 3634 Darden Street in Houston, Harris County, Texas. She did not file an answer. Is that correct? She has not appeared.
That's correct, Your Honor.
The non-custodial parent, Father Leonard Curtis Crawford, was served on November 18th, 2020 at 12:55 p.m. at TDCJ Lynchner at 2350 Atascocita Road in Humble, Harris County, Texas. He did not file an answer either. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
So we will have a default hearing. Let's proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, the state would ask that the court take judicial notice of the prior court order signed on May 29th of 2012, where Mr. Crawford was ordered to pay $220 in child support and $40 in medical support, both of those monthly, and to begin on June 1st of 2012.
Okay.
The state would also like to offer into evidence what has been marked as State's Exhibit 1, which is the financial activity report in this matter.
I'll mark it for you.
Thank you.
Since it's not marked. All right.
May I proceed?
Hold on a second.
Okay.
All right, State's Exhibit 1, the financial activity report is admitted. Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. After an investigation was conducted, the Office of the Attorney General has found that Mr. Crawford is currently incarcerated and his projected release date is in July of 2021. As a result, the Office of the Attorney General is asking the court to grant a modification to set the child support and the medical support to 0. The Office of the Attorney General is also asking this court to confirm the child support arrearage amount and take a judgment in the amount of $40,834.90 as of January 31st of 2021, and a medical support judgment in the amount of $5,108.60 as of January 31st, 21, and we are not seeking to set any sort of payout on either of those judgments today. The Office of the Attorney General also is asking to non-suit its request for a dental support judgment. That amendment will be made to this order following this hearing. And the state of Texas is asking this court to grant the modification and confirmation of arrears in this matter. And that is all, Your Honor.
All right, the court will approve the order as submitted. And now we've got cause number 2015-45260 in the interest of Robert Meza. Court will note that the custodial parent is Vide Villegas, is not present. She was served on October 30th, 2020. She's not filed an answer, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Further, the non-custodial father, Daniel Meza, was served on October 28th, 2020. At Willacy County TDCJ 1695 South Buffalo Drive in Raymondville, Willacy County, Texas. He also has not filed an answer. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, let's proceed by
Thank you, Your
default.
Honor. At this time, the state would ask that the court take judicial notice of the prior court order signed on August 2015, where Mr. Meza was ordered to pay $412 in child support monthly, as well as $117 in current cash medical support monthly. Both of those to begin on September 1st of 2015.
Okay,
The state would also ask that the state would also like to offer into evidence what has been marked as State's Exhibit 1, which is the financial activity report in this matter.
all right, State's Exhibit 1 is admitted. The financial activity report. Go ahead.
After investigation, it was found that Mr. Meza is currently incarcerated and his projected release date is August of 2024. As a result of that, the Office of the Attorney General is asking this court to modify both the child support, medical support to zero due to his incarceration. And the state of Texas is also seeking to confirm the arrearage for child support in the court order a judgment in the amount of $11,845.32 as of January 31st, 2021, in a cash medical support judgment in the amount of $2,297.52 as of January 31st, 2021. The state is not currently seeking a payout on either of those judgments at this time. The state of Texas is also non-suiting its request for a dental support judgment, that amendment to be made to this order after this hearing. And there are no further requests from the Office of the Attorney General. That is all.
All right, the court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Your
You're
Honor. May
you're-
I be excused? Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.